Okay, we're nearly ready for running, as in the last video. I've found there was a couple of fuel leaks on the old float chamber seals at the bottom. Normal thing on SUs. Replace those two, and we've got the pipes all connected up now. I've got some clips to put in place, but that can come later. We've got some water put in, and we've had problems with the pressure gauge. That wasn't working. I've had to swap that. Just hung it on the end of the pipe inside at the moment. Turned it over, and that's now we've got oil pressure. So we're getting ready for a start-up. So I had problems also with the fuel tank. I've had to take the fuel tank out again. The pickup pipe was actually blocked up with rust, full of rust. So I managed to actually free that off by putting a Bowden cable, an old handbrake cable, up the pickup pipe and putting it on an electric drill and just boring out the rust, and cleaned it all out, washed it out and put it all back in again. So hopefully we'll be ready for running. Right, we're going to attempt to start the Mini up. What I've done, I've got a big battery here which won't go and fit in the Mini boot anyway, and the one that fits in there is a little bit iffy. So I've just connected that one up in the boot up to the ignition side and put another solenoid on with another separate battery and just wired it straight to the starter motor with the solenoid wire just plugged into it. So right, let's try. Nothing. Check the connections. Try again. Here we are. Running.